Hello students, today we are going to start a poem from your hornbill, and this poem is composed by a famous poet, Walt Whitman. Walt Whitman was an American poet, essayist and journalist. A humanist, he was a part of the transition between transcendentalism and realism, incorporating both views in his works. Whitman is among the most influential poets in the American canon, often called the father of free verse. Let us see the poem. And who art thou, said I to the soft falling shower, which strains to tell? Give me an answer, as here translated. I am the poem of the earth, said the voice of the rain. Eternal, I rise impalpable out of the land and the bottomless sea, upward to heaven, whence, vaguely formed, altogether changed, and yet the same. I descend to leave the drafts, atomies, dust layers of the globe, and all that in them without me were seeds only, latent and born, and forever, by day and night, I give back life to my own origin, and make pure and beautify it. For song, issuing from its birthplace after fulfillment, wandering, wrecked or unwrecked, duly with love returns. Now, this is the poem that celebrates rain and the accompanying water cycle that supports life and benefits the earth. The poet recounts a conversation he had with the falling raindrops. He asks the rain, "Who art thou?" And for his surprise, the rain answers, calling itself the poem of the earth. The rain says that it is born in the form of intangible vapors that rise eternally from the earth's land and deep water bodies. Then it reaches upwards towards heaven in the form of clouds, impalpable, vaguely formed, and altogether changed. Yet at the core, it remains the same as it was at birth. It then returned to its origin, the earth, as raindrops to wash away the dust and rejuvenate the drought-ridden and dry land. The poet compares the rain to a poem or a song. A song is born in the heart of a human, and after giving pleasure and joy to one and all, come back to the Creator in the form of fame and appreciation. Similarly, rain originates from the earth, and the bottomless sea soars up to heaven, taking the form of clouds, and comes down to give joy to its birthplace and makes it clean, pure, and beautiful. So you can see this poet is in an imaginary conversation with the rain, which he calls the soft falling shower. He asks the rain, to which he got replies, and then we will see in explanation what happens. Let us discuss the poem in detail.